So I've got this turbo air blaster from SAILHAPI here. So thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is a super cool air blaster that you can use for all types of purposes. So as you can see, you can use it for cleaning your keyboard, your computer. You can use it to blow leaves, you can blow water or snow off your car. Just all kinds of uses. You can even use it as a personal fan to cool yourself off if you wanted. So just anywhere you need some air to blow things off, to clean, dust, etc. This is a really cool tool. So this is nice packaging it comes in. It comes with all kinds of accessories. I'll show you those here. So you get a whole bunch of attachment for the nozzles, cleaning brushes, so for cleaning your computer, dusting off things, etc. USB-C cable for charging. And then this is the really cool air blaster here. Nice and heavyweight. It's got a nice large battery in there. This one is the silver color. There's a gold one as well that you can pick from. So really simple to use. Hold down the button for 3 seconds. It'll turn on. There you go. There's the power indicator light there. USB-C port for charging up there. And then there's a slider for adjusting the amount of air. So it's on lowest setting right now. You can see it's not, you can hear it's not too loud. Turn it up. Make it really strong. Oops, okay, it just blew everything away. It's actually really strong. Let's see. So you can see how strong it is there. So yeah, really not too loud either. Be great for using as a personal fan. When you're hot, you can use this to cool yourself off. The battery here is nice and large, so it lasts a long time. There's a wrist strap as well. So yeah, if you're looking for one of these air dusters, this is a great one to check out.